Hello friends, myself Gautam Kotari. Welcome to binary tree tutorial. So in previous tutorials we have seen how to create a binary tree. We have seen three traversals, recursive approach, that is pre-order, in-order and post-order, and also we have seen how to find the height of a binary tree. Now in this tutorial we will see how to create a mirror image of a binary tree. That is, if the root contains 10, its left node contains 9 and right node contains 11, then its mirror image will be its root arrow left will be 11 and root arrow right will be 9. So we'll jump to the code part. So we'll create one function mirror, right, and we'll pass root to it, right. So this is the mirror function node starting, right. So if first we will check that if the root is null, then we will return, because there won't be any mirror image of it, right. Now we will call the mirror one function and pass the root arrow left to it and root arrow right to it, right. Now we will create one temporary node and we will swap the nodes. So see how I'm swapping the nodes. Temp will be T arrow left, T arrow left will be T arrow right, and T arrow right data will be temp. So this is how the nodes are swapped. That is the now consider an example of 10, 9 and 11, where 10 is the root data, 9 is its left and 11 is its right. So how the nodes are swapped: the left data will be right data will be the temp data. Temp is nothing but a temporary node. That's all. This is the function of to create a mirror image of a binary tree. So let's run the function and see if it is working. So enter 10, enter left of 10 9, left of 9 -1, right of 9 -1, right of 10 11, and both its left and right part will be -1. Okay. Oh, sorry, we don't call this function in main, and then we will use pre-order traversal to print the mirror image of a binary tree. So let's run the function again. Ten, 9, -1, 11, -1, -1. So you can see this is the pre-order traversal 10, 9, 11 and its mirror image 10, 11, 9. So this is the mirror image of a binary tree. We used pre-order traversal to see the mirror image of a binary tree. Okay friends, so thank you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.